The Lewmar 12V Pro-Series Gypsy delivers strong anchoring performance for mid-sized boats with a maximum pull capacity that easily handles typical ground tackle for this size range. Its horizontal design keeps most of the hardware above deck, making it straightforward for a do-it-yourself owner to mount using the included template and hardware. The windlass housing in Gypsy are built from marine-grade 316 stainless steel, which resists corrosion and holds up well in harsh saltwater conditions over many seasons. Operation is simple and convenient with push-button control for deploying and retrieving the anchor, plus a built-in manual backup, so you are not stranded if power fails. The kit arrives as a complete anchoring package, including the windlass, electrical protection, control switch, and mounting components, so you do not have to chase down extra parts. A fast retrieval speed helps you raise anchor quickly when conditions change, and the long-established Lewmar brand reputation gives added confidence in long-term reliability.